Supercharged 2005 Ford Saleen 5-speed manual transmission, 29,000 miles. Let's take it for a test drive. All right, so today we have a 2005 Saleen Mustang, and this is a factory supercharged car. The motors that were in these were a 4.6. You could get them naturally aspirated, or you could get them supercharged like this car. The supercharged ones produce 400 horse and 420 foot-pounds of torque. That's what they're rated at in 2005. And then this is obviously a 5-speed manual transmission. The clutch feels great. The motor has awesome power. These are a 3-valve motor. Really good sounding car too from the exhaust. As far as your other mechanical options, you have your power steering, obviously. Then you have your 4-wheel discs. The exhaust is still the original Saleen exhaust. Has a great note to it. We'll let it warm up a little bit more before we get crazy into the throttle. But you can hear there, it sounds awesome. On the interior, it's code 5W, which is your charcoal, which is the black interior. A little bit of bolster wear over here on the edge of the driver's seat from getting in and out. It's a documented 29,049 miles, so it is really low miles, but these are notorious for having a little bit of wear from getting in and out on the seats, and this one does have that. A little scuff on the seat bottom over here on the driver's seat, or excuse me, the passenger seat, and then the buttons have the notorious little plating coming off on the black, so the buttons have a little bit of age to them for the stereo, but no other issues here on the inside. Headliner, visors, upper dash, lower dash, all of that looks good. You do have the factory boost and the temp gauge, or excuse me, the intercooler gauge up on the top there. Factory Saleen gauges in front of you, stock steering wheel, all that shows really nice. Carpets look good, floor mats look good. Really, outside of a little bit of age on the seats, there's no other real problems in here. The downshifts feel good. Feels like it might have a short throw shifter. I'll be the first one to admit, I don't know if these came factory with a short throw shifter or not. I'm guessing they probably did. I think probably Saleen put their own one in there, but it's got a really nice and tight shifter. It clicks in and out of all the gears. As far as the doesn't work section goes for this particular Mustang, lights, gauges, horn, wipers, radio, heat, AC, all of your buttons, switches, everything is working on this one. The only item I have listed as a no is going to be when you pull up the parking brake, it's not wanting to engage. So when you pull it all the way up, it doesn't stay up. So something with the mechanism, so as you pull it up there, it doesn't actually lock into place. So something simple, probably a really easy repair. That's the only item we have listed as a no on this one, is going to be the parking brake. That doesn't work section will be found on the website, pcclassiccars.com, in the additional media section. All right, we're warmed up good, so we'll go ahead and get in the throttle here some. We'll end up in this guy's back seat in about 2.3 seconds, but these cars run really well. We'll have an opportunity to get in the throttle just a little bit more, a little bit later in the video, but these are fun cars. The power hits right away. Transmission's easy to find the gears. We'll let that little Chevy get in front of us a little bit. We'll do another little third gear pull here in a second. As far as the underneath goes, floors are great, frame is great, no problems of any kind on the underneath. Really represents like a low mileage car, which is what it is. On the exterior, it's code TL, which is your satin silver pearl metallic. One hell of a name for your exterior color on this car. But the paint quality is nice. It's got some little stone chips, little imperfections. Nothing that's worth even mentioning. You'll see photos of the little stuff in the additional media tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Factory wheels, good tires, all that's in great shape. I will say on the Saleen banner on the windshield, the little S, the little corner's missing, but we ordered a brand new banner and it will go with the car, so the next owner, if you want to put that in there, you can. But we'll go ahead and do a little third gear pull here. And these cars are really fun. I've always thought these were underappreciated body style. Up until recently, they've really started coming on in value. This color combo, the silver, with obviously the large polished wheels that these came with, Just a great looking car if you ask me. I love the body style. I love the ground effects that these have. Just a tough looking car. Factory Racecraft suspension, all of it checks out great. Nothing needs to be replaced. Doesn't pull you left, doesn't pull you right. Steering is also nice and tight. This is one of those cars that's hard to just not keep putting your foot in the throttle because it just wants to roll out. On the interior, you have all your creature comforts, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise, all that stuff works great. Driving position is comfortable. You have your adjustable driver's seat over here. Seat foam feels good. Console set up nice, the way that your arm sits in here. Comfortable car to drive. Little vanity lights, dome lights, all that stuff. I guess they're not dome lights, they're little map lights. They all work properly. Glass is in good condition. Couple little nicks over on the passenger side of the windshield. No other problems with the side windows. You have your rear defrost in the back, which works properly as well. Got your traction control button there. Roll into it here in a second. I will say the way that these shifters are set up, it's easy to find the gears, but you really got to pull it into gear. It like clicks in and out of every gear. So really make sure you know what gear it really makes you know what gear you're in, excuse me. When you pop open the deck lid in the back, shows great back there. Nothing's out of place. Shows OE in factory. Same thing when you pop the hood. Bottom side of the hood looks good. This is the original numbers matching Supercharged 4.6 that this Saleen was born with. Charging system's doing its job. Fluids all check out great. Belts, hoses, wires, nothing needs to be serviced. It's again a hop-in, ready-to-go car outside of, again, the parking brake not working. The items that cosmetically, or I guess you can quote say flaws, you have the little buttons here, the little black plating is coming off, and then just a few little nicks in the paint, but it's all really minor stuff. And there you guys have it. As always, I'm Michael. This is a supercharged 2005 Saleen Mustang with 29,000 miles from myself and everybody here at PC Classic Cars. We appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drives. Make sure you check out that additional media section on the website, pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content we're posting across all of the social platforms every single day. We'll catch you guys on the next video.